Hello everyone, I am Surendra Jain, Master Teacher in Vedantu. We are discussing paper of KVPY 2018 essay stream. This is question number 62 of part 2 from the topic PNC. Question says let m be the number of 5-digit integers obtained by using the digits 1, 2, 3, 5 with repetition such that the sum of any two adjacent digits is odd. Similarly, they have given let n. Let us read now inside bracket. Let n be the number of 5-digit integers obtained by using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without repetition such that sum of any two adjacent digits is odd. Then m upon n is equal to. Options are 9, 12, 15 or 18. Okay. Now to solve this question, let us first understand that if we have to make 5-digit integer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and we have to make sure that any two adjacent digits are such that their sum is odd. That means if one of them is even, next one should be odd. Then next one should be even, next one should be odd, next one should be even. So even, odd, even, odd, even. Or there is another scenario 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that we start with odd, then it will be even, then it will be odd, then it will be even, then it will be odd. Okay, now to count this number m first, in which we are given that numbers can be repeated. Okay, so for this case number 1, let me put it 1 here and let me put 2 here. So for this m, I think this first one, for first one we have, for first place, let me write it again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have two choices for even numbers which are 2 or 4. And then for odd, we have 3 choices. And because we can repeat the numbers, so for this third place, we are again having 2 choices, then 3 choices, then 2 choices. Okay, and this becomes 6 into 6, 36 into 2, 72. Okay, and for the second scenario, in which we are starting with odd number, so here it will be 3, then 2, then 3, then 2, and then once again 3, and I think this will be 108 this time. 6 into 6, 36 into 3, 108. So from this we can say the value of m will be sum of these two, which is 180. Okay, now coming to n. N says number of such numbers without repetition. Now in this case, if I count for case 1 in which first number is even, then you can see we will require 3 different even numbers, because repetition is not allowed, whereas we are having only 2 even numbers here. So for first scenario, the number of such numbers will be 0, because we do not have 3 even numbers. Whereas for second scenario, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we will require 3 odd numbers and 2 even numbers, which we are having. But here for odd numbers, we will have 3 choices. For even, now we will have 2 choices. After filling first place by odd number, this third place which we will be filling by odd numbers, we will have 2 choices here only, and then fourth place will be filled by only 1 choices now, because already we have used 1 even number, and then 1 for the last place, that will be my last odd number or last number you can say. And here it is 3 into 2, 6 into 2, 12. So here the value of n is equal to 12. So the final answer, which is actually m upon n, we are asked in this question, will be 15. 180 upon 12. So answer will be 15 here. So answer for this question should be C option. So this completes the solution of this question. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more such solutions. Bye.